It's me, Indar, mom of Ayaran. It's very nice to meet you again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a round bag, especially with the folded star on its front side. For the making of the folded star itself, you may watch my videos. I already made one, but I put it on my first channel, Ayaran Indar. It's in bahasa Indonesia. You may find the link on my description. As usually, before I start, please support my channel by give me your thumb ups, leave your comment below, subscribe and share. Thank you. It is a folded star we have already made, and this is for the on the front panel, and this for the back for leather, and this for the pocket, slip pocket on the back. And these are for the bottom panel and the recess zipper. And this is how I arrange the exterior and the main and the lining. These are for the lining, 2 pieces of fabric. These are the bias tape and the piping cord in it. First, join the faux leather and the folded star, and here I use a double tape to make my work easier. If you prefer using your glue or another kinds of tools to help you, it's okay. So all around, and don't forget to dip some oil to make the foot run smoothly on the surface of the faux leather. And then cut the excess fabric. And now sew the bias tape from faux leather with a piping cord in it all around the edges. And this is how to arrange the ends of the bias tape. First, we have to join the piping cord with the tops with the toothpicks. and then just overlap the faux leather and then sew it. Now we will make a slip pocket. We have to make a small mark for the center line, and here I check 2 centimeters from above to put my magnetic button. Make a small cut for the center line for the main exterior as well, and then put the pocket on it and make sure that the center line up together, and then just make a mark where the magnetic button will be on the main exterior. Make a small cut. For this part, we have to take the male side of the magnetic button, and here I use interlining as well. Make a small cut for the feet of the magnetic button, and for this part we have to put the female one. Put the exterior and the lining of the pocket, and then sew it. Put the pocket to the main exterior, and then place the bias tape on it from the faux leather and sew it. And we sew the bias tape with the piping as well all around the edges. this is how to make the recess zipper. Put the lining on the zipper. And then put the exterior on it and just top stitches. And we have to make the D-ring connector. And for the bottom panel, I decided to use a foam as interlining. Put the D-ring with the connector on its ends and then just sew all around the edges. And now join bottom panel with the recess zipper. Just sew it with 1 centimeter seams allowance. Okay, the gusset is ready now, and then we will join it with the main exterior from front panel. And first we have to keep the center line together, and don't forget about the direction of the slider of the zipper. And this is how I put it. Just put clip or pin their center line, and then we adjust all around the edges until they line up perfectly. Sew it and then do the same process for the back panel. Now for the lining, since I make the bottom from 2 pieces, I have to sew it first to join it into one, and then just sew it all around. is ready. Now just put the main exterior in it. Well, the last thing to do is close the opening by hand stitching, and this is how I arrange the seam allowance and how to join them before I hand stitch it. We have to put pins on it, so it will make our job of hand stitching easier. Okay, our bag is ready now. It's easy, right? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me your thumb ups, leave your comment below, and share. Push the notification button as well. You will get notification if I upload the new videos. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you on my next videos. Assalamualaikum and bye.